ORCL stock analysis next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm gonna be covering all this in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only person in this space with 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. All of this documented on my YouTube channel, and it wasn't until I paid mentors tens of thousands of dollars to learn the skills that everything changed, which you obviously don't have to do. It's a beautiful bullish market for me, and guess what? I'm looking for next week to just double down and hopefully buy more, because this thing, all it has been doing is just pumping like crazy. So get rid of this. One thing that I would care the most about is it not randomly just getting involved here, but hopefully like when we open up Monday, I see some little pull down, so at least I can get myself involved into this. And guess what, man? Like, if rules are not met, then I'm not gonna just force no trades here. You know what I mean? Like, people like to force trades, but why? Because you just have a FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. Trust me, I've done it. Forcing trades never worked. But if you want to get my money making emails and insights and daily free market picks, click the first link in the description. It's free.